Hello, now we'll show how to mount RMG to Kantun S boats. The best thing is first to screw one side just to hold the winch in place, and then it's much easier to screw the other side. Because the winch is standing on a little bit of friction from the first side, and then you have other side aligned with the hole to the plastic, as you can see here. And then you can tighten the winch in place, one and the other side. This is it. And the cable, all the cables you just push through the big hole underneath. I'll just push them.
That's it for today.